Whether you're hoping to earn some extra income or looking for a rewarding way to help fellow cancer survivors, or both, you've clicked on the right video. It's no secret that cancer can be financially devastating. You may have had to stop working, pay expensive medical bills, or in some cases, I've unfortunately seen patients who have had to remortgage their house or even become bankrupt because of cancer. But regardless of whether or not this pertains to you, life is expensive now. A lot of people are turning to side hustles for extra money or just to pay their bills. Currently, at least 33% of Americans have a side hustle, with the average one earning over $12,000 a year. Not too shabby. I'm excited to make this video because I'm usually talking about cancer nutrition or vitamins, so it's really refreshing to change things up a bit. But just to be clear, this video isn't about the best ways to make money online or how to make millions of dollars, but I will be giving you some great ideas on how you can use your experience with cancer to help other cancer survivors and make some extra income doing it. Even if you were able to continue working throughout cancer treatment, or if you've returned to work since, you may be thinking about changing careers because cancer has a way of making you reevaluate certain aspects of your life. You may be looking for something more meaningful, something less stressful, something you can do from home, or something that allows you to work less hours. It's completely normal to be asking yourself questions like, what's important to me now? Or what kind of life do I want to live after cancer? I had the idea to create this video because one of my breast cancer patients told me that she had worked really hard to get to where she was professionally, but after cancer, she didn't feel the same way about her career and wondered if that was normal. It's very normal to question several things after a life-changing event like cancer. It strongly influences the way you view life and how you want to live the rest of it. For some people, going back to work after treatment may be a haven. If you find your work engaging, if you can handle the stress of the job, if you have colleagues and a boss that support you, then your work may be just what you need. However, if your job is stressful, draining, demanding, or if you don't have the energy for it, you may be questioning if you should be looking for something new. The answer to this question isn't always just to quit and find a new job. Maybe you can consider going part-time at your day job and picking up a side hustle you can do from home. So without further ado, here are 5 rewarding ways to earn extra income while navigating life with cancer. Number 1, if you have a talent for putting your thoughts into words, freelance writing or blogging can be a very lucrative and fulfilling side hustle. There are a ton of online platforms that allow cancer survivors the opportunity to contribute to articles, blog posts, and other content on topics ranging from health and wellness to personal finance or lifestyle. By sharing your experiences and insights, you can not only earn money, but also inspire and educate others going through similar journeys. Better yet, you can even start your own blog and drive people to it through social media. It's free to set up an Instagram or Facebook account, and you can grow a following by posting helpful or informative pieces of content that really resonates with people. And it's so rewarding to read comments on your posts or blogs that you've helped even just one person. It's also a great way to develop or improve your skills as a writer, and you get to be creative with your posts. I would highly recommend signing up for a free Canva account, which has thousands of beautiful templates to help you make professional looking posts. I'll include the link for you in the description below. Side hustle number 2. This one could actually be a full-time career. If you're passionate about helping people and using your experience with cancer to support others, you can become a cancer coach. You don't need a background in healthcare or nutrition or oncology. The designation of a coach is not regulated by a professional body, so basically anyone can be a coach. You don't have to have any specific qualifications. That's why you see so many people becoming life coaches, career coaches, pregnancy coaches. People are leveraging their passions, experience, and expertise into a rewarding career or side hustle to support others. Although you don't need any specific qualifications to become a coach, there are thousands of licensed programs online through colleges or organizations. But just a word of caution, some are much better than others. So if you're going to invest the time and money to complete one of these programs, it's really important to do your research and read all of their reviews first. The most important value to possess as a cancer coach is empathy. The best cancer coaches are those who understand and empathize with what someone goes through with cancer, the side effects they experience, and how frightening it all is. You can support cancer patients by just listening to what is making them anxious and helping them get answers to questions around, say, how to better manage fatigue or reduce stress and anxiety. You'll find that everyone has a different reason for needing a cancer coach. Some people need support and guidance on how to talk to their children about their diagnosis. Some have difficulty managing stress, or are trying to transition back to work after treatment. Or they might be a caregiver or a family member of someone facing cancer, and they need support as they care for them. The coaching industry is becoming more and more popular, recognized, and lucrative. You can either work for a company or work for yourself by getting a registered business number, and again, advertise through social media. There are also online platforms popping up, like SideTrain, for example, where you can just create a profile and they will match you with prospective coaching clients. And if you're in the US, some medical insurance companies are starting to cover the cost of hiring a coach. However, for this, you would need to become a certified coach through a qualified program, but at least it's something to look into if you're serious about going all in. Side hustle number 3. If you're super organized, have a knack for detail, and are proficient in communicating, you can become a virtual assistant for businesses, entrepreneurs, or professionals. Your tasks might include things like writing emails, scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts, or data entry. And if you're wondering how this side hustle can be rewarding, well, you can work for companies or entrepreneurs in a cancer-related field or others who are doing meaningful things and helping people. With more and more people becoming entrepreneurs and starting online businesses, there's no shortage of work for virtual assistants or online business managers. Side hustle number 4, and this one's my favorite. If you have a specific talent or passion and you're good at speaking to a camera, consider starting a YouTube channel. Don't laugh, hear me out. You may already know this, but anyone can start a YouTube channel. And once you have over 1,000 followers and enough videos uploaded to have accumulated 4,000 hours of watch time, you can run ads during your videos and essentially get paid anytime anyone watches them. Now, it's not as easy as it may sound. It can actually be pretty difficult to get 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours if nobody can find your videos. There's a lot of things you have to do to optimize your videos to show up in searches or to be recommended by YouTube. I'm not going to get into YouTube SEO in this video, but there are thousands of others that can help you start and grow your channel. Some of the best YouTubers to follow for this advice are Ali Abdaal or Vanessa Lau. But I think it typically takes most people 6 months to a year or around 50 videos before they meet these requirements to start getting paid. So you really have to enjoy making videos and be passionate about the content you're creating, or you may not stick with it. For me, the reason I created this channel was because I'm extremely passionate about helping people with cancer make the healthy diet and lifestyle changes that can increase their chances of staying in remission. And because I work in oncology, I know that most cancer patients don't receive proper education from their healthcare team on important things like cancer nutrition or how to cope with the diagnosis. So for me, I love making these videos because I'm using my knowledge and expertise to help people. And when someone comments on one of my videos saying that they found it helpful or inspiring, that's my reward. That's what keeps me going. So thank you to all of you who have liked, subscribed, or commented on my videos. I truly appreciate it more than you know. Side hustle number 5. If you are creative, crafty, or artistic, selling handcrafted goods or artwork can be a very rewarding side hustle. Whether it's handmade jewelry, paintings, pottery, or knitted items, online marketplaces like Etsy allow you to showcase and sell your products to a global market. Not only does this side hustle offer a creative outlet for you, it also allows you to turn your passions into profit. Or maybe you're musically gifted or possess valuable knowledge or expertise in a certain field. Whether it's academic subjects, language learning, music lessons, or personal development coaching, there's a huge growing demand for online educators and mentors. Platforms like tutor.com, Udemy, or Skillshare offer opportunities for people to teach and share their skills with students worldwide, all from the comfort of their own home. You can create online courses or video tutorials and market them on social media or YouTube. Honestly, once you start an online business like this, other doors start to open up, and as Tony Robbins would say, your little business could become a big business. Try to find and follow your passions. Surviving cancer isn't easy, but one thing it can do is to open you up to newfound perspectives. If there's something you've always wanted to do but weren't sure of before your diagnosis, do it, even if it means taking a risk. Don't talk yourself out of an idea because you think it might be silly or that you don't have what it takes. Be adventurous, try new things. Remember how precious your time is and prioritize what feeds your soul. I'm not saying that everyone should switch careers or start a side hustle, but I do recommend that everyone evaluates how they're spending their days. What makes you feel excited? What are you longing for? Really think about these questions and then take action. I know cancer recovery can be daunting, but exploring rewarding side hustles can provide you with a sense of renewed purpose and fulfillment and supplement your income. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.